The topic of this video is the 7 P's of services marketing. In today's dynamic and ever-changing economic landscape, the service industry is vital, accounting for a sizable portion of the worldwide economy. Services comprise a wide range of offerings that touch our daily life, from healthcare to hospitality, banking to beauty salons. Understanding how to properly advertise these services is more than simply an intellectual exercise. It is an essential skill for both professionals and business owners. What are the 7 P's and why do they matter? You may be wondering that exactly what we are here to find out. The 7 P's indicate a customized marketing mix built exclusively for services. They give a comprehensive framework for planning, marketing, and delivering services that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. In an age where customer experience is king, mastering the 7 P's of services marketing is no longer an option but a requirement. It all comes down to providing smooth, memorable, and customer-centric experiences that not only attract but also keep customers. So, without any more delay, let's go into the world of services marketing and see how these 7 P's can serve as your compass as you navigate the obstacles and opportunities of the ever-changing service business. Marketing is essential for promoting and selling products and services. The standard marketing mix of our 4 P's, product, price, place, and promotion, may not properly represent the distinctive qualities of services. To address these, marketers have expanded the mix to include 7 P's that are specific to the service businesses. People. In services marketing, people are often considered the most critical factor. Unlike products which can be created in a factory, services are delivered by people to people. The interactions between service providers and customers greatly influence the overall experience. Whether it's a friendly cashier at a store or a helpful customer service representative on the phone, people play a crucial role in shaping a customer's perception of a service. For example, think about a visit to your favorite restaurant. The waitstaff's attitude and friendliness, the chef's skills, and even the temperament of the other customers all contribute to your entire eating experiences. Process. The process refers to the series of steps and activities that take place when a service is delivered. It is important for service providers to design efficient and effective process to ensure a smooth customer experience. This includes everything from how a hotel check-in is handled to how an online purchase is processed. Consider ordering a pizza online. The process involves selecting your pizza, adding toppings, providing delivery information, and making a payment. A well-designed process ensures that your pizza arrives hot and on time, making you a certified customer. Physical evidence. Unlike physical products, services are intangible, which means they cannot be seen or touched before they are purchased. Physical evidence refers to the tangible cues or elements that help customers access the quality of a service. This can include the physical environment, brochures, website design, and even the appearance of service personnel. For instance, when booking a hotel online, the website's photos and descriptions of rooms, facilities, and amenities service as physical evidence. They help you make a decision about whether to book a room or not. Product. While services are fundamentally different from products, they often involve some element of products, especially in the service industry. This could be the tangible aspect of the service, like the meals in a restaurant or the seats on an airplane. The product component must align with the overall service experience and meet customer expectations. Think about a spa visit. The massages, facials, and other treatments are the products offered within the service. The quality of these products greatly influences your satisfactions with the spa experiences. Price. Price in services marketing is not just about the cost of the service, but also about how it's perceived by customers. Setting the right price is important to attracting and retaining customers. Service providers must consider factors like value for money, pricing strategies, and discounts to remain competitive. For instance, a gym might offer different pricing plans to cater to various customer segments, such as students, seniors, or families. The pricing strategy will impact the gym's ability to attract and retain members. Promotion. Promotion in services marketing involves all the activities aimed at communicating the value of the service to potential customers. This can include advertising, social media marketing, public relations, and more. Effective promotions helps create awareness, interest, and desire for the service. Imagine a new car sharing service in your city. They might use promotion to inform people about their convenient and cost effective transportation option through online ads, social media posts, and partnerships with local businesses. Place. In services marketing, place refers to the distribution channels and locations where the service is available. It's essential to make the service accessible to the target audience. This can include physical locations, online platforms, or even mobile apps. Consider a popular streaming service like Netflix. By making its content available through the internet, it ensures that subscribers can access their favorite shows and movies from the comfort of their homes or on the go. Understanding the 7 P's of services marketing is essential for service-based organizations. People, process, physical evidence, product, price, promotion, and place all work together to create and provide services that fulfill the requirements and expectations of customers. Service providers can improve client satisfaction, stabilize loyalty, and achieve long-term success in the competitive world of services marketing by carefully controlling each of these components. Thank you for taking the time to watch.